Okay, everybody, the moment you've been waiting for. Producer Ivan Katz here, aka DrivinIvan, with the Mexican hot chocolate blizzard, and I'm gonna try it. Oh my, let's do this. I really haven't tried it yet. I'm really, literally holding out for you guys. And here we go. I hope I don't spill this everywhere. Oh my God, look at this. The lady looked a little confused. I don't think they sell a lot of these. It's on the menu. It's got a little cinnamony spice and chocolate covered marshmallows and like I think brownies. It's very chocolatey. I like it. I might even like it without the Mexican twist there, but it's good. I like an iced mocha or even a mocha coffee with the cinnamon in it. One of my favorites. So this is actually really good. I am pleased with it. I shall have another bite and ponder and reflect some more. The marshmallows are crunchy, but sweet. It's got that little savoriness in it because of that cinnamon, whatever that mix is. It is so good. I'm a fan, believe it or not. Yeah, try it out. Dairy Queen, the Peterson family DQ since 1958. There you have it. Search all my car reviews as DrivinIvan. Disc golf videos. Just shot one earlier today. Just covered the Pittsburgh Vintage Grand Prix. So a lot of car videos from that. Car reviews, just search DrivinIvan, your favorite car. What else? Beatles in London and Liverpool, where I see a real Beatle. And I show you all of the Beatles' history. Jim Morrison's life and death in Paris. Jimi Hendrix's life and death and Lady Friends in London. Lots of other food reviews. Music videos where I play all the instruments. Free Your Mind. Past Relations. Down, Down, Down. I'll Never Tell. You and Me. And like I said, I do play the instruments on Purple Haze, Hotel California, Stairway to Heaven. I sing it and play all the instruments. I hope you'll watch. Thanks for watching. With yet another food review of this Mexican hot chocolate blizzard. I am Producer Ivan Katz, aka DrivinIvan.